How to turn your followers into clients. Have you tried everything but still can't get clients on Instagram? This is the secret to Instagram client acquisition. Feed content. You need to first attract the right people to your profile for Instagram client acquisition, which happens through a cyclic posting of gap-building, relatable, educational, and authority-building content. Stories. Your stories are where people build desire for your services. Show your client results, your own results, and your expertise, and always end it with a sales or engaging CTA so you can start building your lead list for Instagram client acquisition. DMs. Ask the right questions to make your audience open up to you, understand the problem they're currently facing, and then lead the conversation to book a call. Sales call. This is where you need to build trust with them. Show them why things haven't been working till now, and then present the solution you can offer. Handling objections is the key here. Say this reel is helpful to you. Follow me for more tips.